Listen closely, because right now, the legal world you think you know, the one that drags you down with endless paperwork, buried contracts, and mindless hours lost fighting battles over words, is on the brink of collapse. It's suffocating, chaotic, and the frustration? It's real. Every hour wasted on tedious, repetitive tasks is another hour stolen from innovation and real impact. You feel it, don't you? The grinding weight of inefficiency, the gnawing frustration as giants of the industry cling desperately to their old ways, while the clock ticks mercilessly. Here's the brutal truth. The legal industry is a machine built for the past. It's slow, expensive, riddled with hidden traps, and it punishes the very people trying to make sense of it all. Clients feel trapped, lawyers are overwhelmed, and investors hesitate because they know the cracks are massive. This system was never designed for today's world. Fast, connected, and brutal. You're caught in a web of outdated traditions and resistance to change, and it hurts like hell. But here lies the raw, undeniable, electrifying chance. AI isn't just a tool. It's not a shiny feature or a buzzword to sprinkle over tired models. It's a total game changer, an unstoppable juggernaut ready to obliterate the old legal world and build something revolutionary from its ashes. Think about it for a second. What if every document, every clause, every contract, every complex regulation could be processed in the blink of an eye with perfect accuracy? What if the grunt work, the endless review, the painful drafting, the impossible searching through mountains of text could disappear overnight? This is no pipe dream. This is not speculation. Right now, AI models powered by massive data and deep learning are creating tools that don't just assist, they replace. Automated contract analysis, predictive case outcomes, instant compliance checks, the kind of tech that slashes costs and time to fractions of what they are today. No more burnt-out lawyers drowning in paperwork. No more impossible deadlines crushing innovation. No more clients overpaying for the slow grind of paperwork humans shouldn't even be doing anymore. You see, the legal industry's greatest problem isn't just complexity, it's control. It's the gatekeeping of knowledge and power wrapped in bureaucracy and tradition, suffocating progress and locking away potential. AI shatters that. It tears the monopoly on legal assistance apart. Suddenly, founders, startups, investors, anyone with the will can access insights and services that were once the exclusive playground of giant firms with endless hours and insane budgets. This means democratization of legal power on an unprecedented scale, but only for those willing to seize it. Now here's what you absolutely must do. No debate, no hesitation. First, you need to invest aggressively in understanding which AI legal technologies aren't vaporware, but battle-tested and ready to roll. This is about strategic foresight. Dive deep into platforms that offer contract automation, AI-driven legal research, and compliance engines. Test them mercilessly in your business or legal practice. Don't let the fear of disruption freeze you into inaction. Embrace it like a weapon. You want to be a pioneer or a casualty? The choice is yours. Second, disrupt your own legal infrastructure. Strip down every process that relies on manual labor or excessive human oversight. Force your teams to use AI as an extension of themselves. Think of it as the ultimate partner. Not replacing humans, augmenting them, supercharging their work so they can focus on strategy, negotiation, and the human touch clients desperately crave. It's not about losing jobs, it's about upgrading roles and pushing boundaries no one thought possible. Third, redefine what legal service means in your world. Forget billable hours. Forget contracts that look like novels. Use AI to create services priced for impact, outcomes, and rapid delivery. This will crush the status quo because clients don't want slow perfection. They want fast precision that moves their business forward. When AI is baked into your legal offering, you turn from powerless follower into a titan who commands not just a market, but an entirely new category. And here's a revelation that will stir something fierce inside you. This isn't simply about efficiency or saving money. It's about reshaping the very foundation of trust, access, and fairness in law. The old system favors those with resources, connections, and legacy status. AI breaks that. Information symmetry increases drastically. Small startups get the same legal arsenal as massive corporations. Investors can judge deals with sharper insight, spotting risks and opportunities faster than ever. Builders of the future are no longer shackled by the past. Ignore this wave, and you'll be buried under it. However, step into it with resolve, and you become part of a revolutionary new legal ecosystem, one where power is fluid, connection is essential, and individual competence is king. This future isn't arriving quietly, it's roaring at you. It demands your total commitment to unlearn old habits and rewire the way you think about law, business, and technology. No more clinging to the illusion of safety and tradition. This is your call to arms. Strip the illusions of the past abuses and reveal what law really is, an evolving set of principles that must adapt or die. Use AI as your scalpel to cut out inefficiencies, your amplifier to boost your strategic reach, and your shield against obsolescence. Build networks of forward thinkers who embrace change, who push boundaries, who know that the old game is dead, and only the brave will shape what comes next. Remember, this tactical shift isn't for the faint-hearted. It's for those who stare down chaos and frustration daily and say, no more. It's for leaders who burn with the need to tear through red tape, who refuse to accept mediocre outcomes chained by outdated processes. The moment to transcend these limits is here. Not someday, not maybe. Now. So stop waiting. Go find the AI tools ready to rewrite your legal operations right now. Force them into your workflows until they seep into every corner of your work. Fight complacency with ruthless innovation. Build legal teams that don't just follow AI but command it. Connect with investors and founders who share this vision. Build the fierce, autonomous, dynamic network the future demands. This is no longer a future possibility. It is the battlefield of now. Your survival, your triumph, your freedom depend on the choice you make in this moment. No safety nets, no excuses, no retreat. This is the age where AI will either consume the legal world entirely or will elevate you beyond everything you have ever imagined. The law is not safe, it's not predictable, but it's ready to be remade. And you're the key. Claim your place in this revolution before it crushes you beneath its unstoppable rise. Your move.